It wouldn't have been possible for me to be working as a physiotherapist without the apprenticeship route. If you are somebody who cares, you go into a caring job, and so you will always find ways to improve people's lives because that's what matters to you. But this apprenticeship route has allowed me to do so much more with that in ways that I never thought would be possible for me.
The opportunity to work alongside it and kind of get that clinical experience was what really sold it for me. By doing the apprenticeship, I was actually able to pick my placements, so I utilised that to pick placements in areas that I thought that I might want to go in. And I found that taking what I've learned at university and practising it on a patient in the NHS has really helped to solidify what I've learned.
It's a 4-year structured programme where we deliver dedicated university-based teaching, and that combines really nicely with time back in the workplace for our apprentices to consolidate their learning.
The apprenticeship route can really be beneficial towards people who have a real practical mindset.
They are getting that opportunity to take what they learn here and go out the very next day and see this in practice.
It also benefits the trusts. They're able to not only retain but attract the strongest possible candidates.
I think having apprentices helps the whole team. The ethos is that we grow our own talent, so the apprenticeship model fits very, very well. The support both for the apprentice and us as an organisation is excellent.
We have a really rich history in delivering a really supportive programme with really high standards.
I myself ended up having a baby after first year, and they were really supportive in saying, you know what, you can take time to do this. We're still going to support you coming back. So they care about what's actually going on with you as well as everything else.
Salford had a really good reputation, and it was a bit of a no-brainer really.
Salford offers so many key aspects for a course in terms of it integrates everything that you'll need so that when you are a band 5 and you are put in them situations, you're a lot more equipped.
What's mattered to me the most is the impact that I can see that I'm having for the people that I work with.
The ethos of physiotherapy, to have that positive impact on somebody and, you know, really work with them to make a big impact on their life was something that I really wanted to do.
It is the best thing that I have ever done for my career. I have loved every moment of it so far. I wish I knew about it earlier and I had the courage to take it on earlier.